Let me lock this gate very well. Asa, you are very good. I don't think I'll be going any further. Let me just give you some cash and enter inside. You can have all. Take now. So see you next time. Yeah, bye bye.
Wait, sense, Oga, come here first.
How you go to draw me like this? What
Why
happened?
no go draw you? No, wait, how much is this?
This is 2,000 naira.
2,000 for waiting. What I want use and do?
For paying you off.
Paying me off. So after all the things where you don't do me last night, hang my leg for air, hang am for ceiling, angle 360. Monkey, shadow a monkey, I be waiting that call like.
Wait, make I ask you, only me in sweet. Now only me enjoy am. Okay, I give you money.
Oga, beg you. Come here.
Why did you come for share? Now what did they worry you?
Oga, beg. Pay me my money. And after all the things where you don't do me last night.
You never reach to this extent now. Why they want you for share?
You never reach waiting.
Leave me first.
Wait. If I leave you my
What is the problem now? Can you imagine, baby who I carry last night? We can't do finish now this morning. I carry money give am. She refused. The all money I hold for her. See, 2,000 naira. She can't hold me. Waiting be the problem now.
See the money you give me. See what the money you give me.
Can you imagine 2,000 naira my last card? Yes.
Okay, wait. Let me ask you. This money now. Money for what?
Jesus.
Oga, beg, nothing concern you here.
So now, okay. So this thing is called money for fornication. Money for fornication. But wait, now me go eat the money. This is called wages of sin. You go sin, him pay you. It is called wages of sin. Now pastor go eat am.
I don't want to see my house. Get out.